If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys!
As usual, i-inspect nila. So hopefully sana walang nabasag. Alright. Pinuksan ba nila to? Feeling ko hindi. Sana huwag na naman nila binagsak. Kasi hindi ko pa rin yung tape. Oh my god. First batch. Yan. Alright. Special Collection Kingdra PSA 9, Lieutenant Surge Bargain PSA 10. Wait nga lang. Hindi natin ito. Ayan, para makita nyo. Next, Giratina PSA 10, Rayquaza PSA 10, Giratina PSA 10, Marshadow PSA 10, Charizard Starter Pack PSA 10. Next, Sword and Shield PSA 10. Next one, Mega Latias PSA 10. Scott, dito nga. Guys, si Scott. Yan. Next, Mega Latias again PSA 10. Next one, PSA 10 Mega Latias. Next, Mega Absol PSA 10. Next, Bulbasaur. Uy my god, PSA 10 pang Bulbasaur. What a nice. Cerulege PSA 10. Pikachu PSA 10 Reverse Master Ball. Next, Ace Wanted PSA 10, Starmie PSA 10, Darkrai PSA 10, Ho-Ho PSA 10, Pikachu PSA 10. I want this guys. Parang okay. Medyo langanin ako dito ah. Wala naman siyang basag guys. Next is this. Bulbasaur PSA 5, Mewtwo PSA 10. Grabe naman to guys. Mewtwo PSA 9, Mew pala. Ang wobbly. Next, Squirtle PSA 9, Psyduck PSA 10, PSA 10, PSA 10, PSA 10, PSA 10, PSA 10, PSA 10. So, ano ko na lang guys, minamadali ko na lang. Mega Absol PSA 10, Mega Kangaskhan PSA 10, Charmander Indonesian PSA 10, Articuno PSA 10, Gyarados PSA 10, and Marshadow PSA 10. Grabe, nice hit, mga nice cards to guys, nice cards. Next, this 22 pieces. Oh my god. Naibasag siya guys. Siyete. Marshadow PS 89, Mega Latias PSA 10, Mega Latias PSA 10, Mega Venusaur PSA 10, Mega Absol PSA 10, Marshadow PSA 10, Mew PSA 10, Rayquaza PSA 10, Psyduck PSA 10, Pikachu PSA 10, Snorlax PSA 10, Mega Latias PSA 10, and Mega Absol PSA 10, Chinese PSA 10, PSA 9, Victini PSA 10, not bad. Japanese na tayo guys. PSA 9, PSA 9, PSA 10, and PSA 9, PSA 10 kaso basag ang slab, and PSA 10. So yun lang guys. Next is next batch naman.
If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and tag. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys!